Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to Kiddos Learn.
A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball, we bounce it on the bed. C is for cat, who likes to play. D is for dog, who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for giraffe with a neck so high. H is for helicopter up in the sky. I is for ice cream, yummy treat. J is for juice so fresh and sweet. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion with a roar so sound. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for nest in the tall tree. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguin, so cute. Whee! Q is for queen with the crown so bright. R is for rainbow, colors of light. S is for sun, shining all day. T is for train, chugging away. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for violin, with lovely strings. W is for whale, splashing the sea. X is for xylophone, play with me. Y is for yak, furry and slow. Z is for zebra, with stripes in a row. Now we've sung our ABC. Learning letters is fun, you see. Come and sing them all with me, from A to Z so happily. Now we've sung our ABC. Learning letters is fun, you see. Come and sing them all with me, from A to Z so happily.